So yeah, so this is a very important question. So what is your advice to younger athletes on do's and don'ts to become a professional player, or maybe to achieve higher?
Yeah. There are a lot of attributes which make a champion. सभी बोलते हैं कि डेडिकेशन चाहिए, कमिटमेंट चाहिए, परसिवियरेंस चाहिए. All of them would have heard in a lot of places. मैं भी वही बोलूँगा. Again, it's the same thing. But I think the most important thing, we need to have the passion to play the sport. We have to have the interest within ourselves, the drive within ourselves to excel. जब वो अपने आप में नहीं आता है, कोच जितना भी बोले, पेरेंट्स जितना भी बोले, आजू बाजू लोग जितना भी बोले, it doesn't help. It doesn't help you reach your goals. So it is very, very important that we are passionate about our sport and we like playing our sport. We like to we should have the liking, or we should be waiting for the time to go to practice. Let's say practice is 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock. You should be waiting to at already 4:30 that okay, I want to go to practice now. So that is a very, very important aspect for, especially for young kids. Don't do it for your parents, don't do it for your coach, but do it for yourself. If you don't like playing table tennis, don't do it. There's no point in pushing yourself, or there's no point in fooling your coaches or your parents. So that is
True.
a very, very important aspect. And the second thing is, to become a champion, it is a process. We need to go through the process. There is no shortcut to success. There is no shortcut at all. You can see all the champions in any sport, in any field, or in the world, they would have struggled their way through. So there is a process in becoming a champion. So you need to go through the process. जैसे if you want to do, let's say, engineering, you have to first finish 12th, then you have to write your entrance exam, IIT JEEs, if you want to go into IIT, and then do a 4-year course. Only then you're an engineer. So that's the same process how you become a champion. You need to put in those number of hours into practice. You need to work on your physical fitness. You need to concentrate and focus on what you're doing. Your main goal should be excellence in table tennis. Let's say you want to be a national champion, you want to be a world champion, you want to win this tournament, you want to be a state champion. Doesn't matter. You set your goals and you need to work towards it. So it is very, very important that you understand the process and you have patience and perseverance through the whole process. So you can win or lose. Like you probably, let's say you want to become national champion in the state tournaments, you are losing probably in the quarterfinals. Doesn't matter. You need to get back there and start working the very next day. The same way, if you win a tournament in the state level, it doesn't mean that you're going to be there at the top. Everybody wants that spot. Everybody wants to be number one. So the competition is more. So this is one saying what interests me a lot. Uh,
Yeah.
Getting to the top is a ability. Staying at the top is a character. So that is very, very important.
Wow, so very well explained. Like, do's is basically do it for yourself. Don't do it for your parent. Don't do it for your coach. But most importantly, do it for yourself. And yes, about the process, on previous sessions, all the speakers were focusing on the process. That process is really important, and nobody can skip that process. It's
Mm.
not like an overnight thing, or चलो थोड़ा extra मेहनत कर लिया, 6-7 महीना तो result आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
So guys, understand that process is the most important thing. You can see right now, Sharat Kamal has also said the same thing. You can't skip the process, or there is no shortcut to success.